doubt, we will start a new topic in the next class. So
Okay.
that's all for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Good evening, Basim. How are you? Am I
Fine, ma'am.
audible? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. So I think in the previous class we finished fraction and decimals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we decided that we'll be starting a new chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? Can you see my screen? No?
The linear equations.
Okay. Sorry, can you please pardon? Which chapter we are supposed to do today?
Ma'am, linear equations.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. And so what we will do, we will do 2 exercise of linear and equation for upcoming days, and then we will revise integers one day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Entire revision, then again two exercise of this, and then I will revise fraction and decimal. Like this, we'll take it away. Okay, so that we don't forget the previous one. I'll inform you in advance that in the next class you should come prepared with integers so that you can revise it before coming to the class.
Yes, ma'am. Like next Tuesday, I'm having exam for maths.
What chapters they are asking for?
Integers, multiplication and division of fractions, and multiplication and division of decimals.
Okay, so basically fraction and integers, right? Tuesday
Yeah,
you're having.
fractions, integers, and that decimals.
Okay, so what we will do, before on Tuesday you have your exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So before that, 2 classes I'll take. One day we'll do integers and one day we'll do fraction division. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You are getting linear equation, the third chapter you are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever we get this chapter called linear equation, it's basically we are representing a equation, right? So let's just understand how it look like. For example, I wrote this 2x minus 3. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this one, basically this x is your, and this 2 and this 3. There are 3 things that you need to remember. Okay. So what is this x basically? This x is called variable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So variables are always the x, y, z, any alphabet letter you get, that is called variable. And this 2 which is attached to a variable, that is called coefficient of x. Clear? And the number which is alone, all alone. See, this is also a number and this is also a number, but this number is attached to a variable. So we say it is a coefficient of any variable which is given. And the number which is all alone, that number is called constant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So x, y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever it is, there that would be variable, and the number which is attached to a variable, that would be the coefficient of that variable. Okay. And the number which is all alone, that is known as constant. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly write down this in a notebook and then I'll give you one question. You will tell me which one is coefficient, which one is variable, and which one is constant.
I'm finished.
Okay. Now I'll give you one thing. Now in this, tell me which one is variable, which one is constant, and which one is coefficient.
Ma'am, the phi is the coefficient of y, and the y is the variable,
Hmm.
and 10 is the constant.
Hmm. And 5
Phi is the this coefficient
of.
y.
Okay, correct. Very good. Now, like for example, I will give you one question. 5x plus 2 equals to 3x uh, minus 4. Okay. And I'm like that, okay, Basim, solve this. See, this number and this number cannot be solved because one is constant and one is with the variable, right? So you need to bring all the like terms together. Okay, so for example, 5x, and from this here, this is equals to. So from this, you will bring this side, it will be minus 3x. Getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and then plus 2, and this would be here, plus 4, and equals to what is left here, 0. Done? So
Yes,
whenever I
ma'am.
ask you to solve it, you need to bring all the like terms together. Okay, so over here, 5x minus 3x, we got 2x, and then plus 6 equals to 0. Yes? Done?
Yes.
And then now you will solve it. It would be, now you will send 2x would be here and this 6 would go this side. So 0 minus 6. It is like 2x equals to minus 6. Yes. And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
x equals to minus 6 upon 2. So you got minus 3. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Got it? So this is how we solve it. Right? So the equation would be given. You have to bring all the like terms together and after that you have to find the value of the variable. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you'll write this in a notebook and then I'll give you the question to solve.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Now I'll give you the question. Example 1. Clear? So solve this one. 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Solve.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question.
Okay. So what is the first step? What you need to do?
Ma'am, 2x plus
Hmm.
2?
Plus 2. X will come with x only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2x
Plus
plus,
x.
if you'll shift any number from right hand side to left hand side. So this is positive.
Yeah.
So it will be
Minus x.
And then minus 3 is already here. This 2 will come this side.
Uh, plus
Plus,
2.
plus.
No, minus 2, sorry.
So from 2x, if you will subtract 1x, what would be left?
From 2x, if I subtract 1x, uh,
You had 2 apples. I took 1 apple. How many apples are left now?
1.
1. So only x is left, right? Or you can write 1x. It's your choice.
Yeah.
And then this minus 3 and minus 2.
Uh,
Hmm?
minus,
Hmm?
minus, minus 5.
Hmm. Okay. Then x would be here only and this 0 plus 5. So x is 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can do it other way as well. See. It was like 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. So bring the x term here, 2x minus x and this 2 plus 3. Like send this here and send this here. Getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
2x minus x is x and here 5. So you can directly get it like this as well. Any way which you feel like it's easy. Send the variables on right hand side and send the constant number on, send the variables on left hand side and send the this on constant on the right hand side. Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, write it down, then I'll give you another question.
Ma'am, I noted it down.
Okay. So I'll give you the next question then. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So you will do the first one and tell me the answer first. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Basim, do you have you done these questions in the school?
Yes, ma'am, like using the transposition method.
Okay, okay. You have done this, right? Linear
Yes, ma'am.
equation. Okay, okay, do it.
Ma'am, is the answer 7.5 for the first one?
Okay, what you got for the first one?
7.5.
No, how come? This was very easy. What happened? 3x minus 2x? Yes or no?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
only 18 would be left this side. So from 3x, if you subtract 2x, what you get? You have 3 apples. If you will take 2 apples, then what will left?
Ma'am, I didn't hear properly, ma'am. Please repeat again.
Okay, if you subtract from 3x, you have 3 apples. If you subtract 2, if you give me 2 apples, what is left?
1.
So you wrote here x. Then what is left here? 18. Done.
Oh,
What you did?
Ma'am, like how to do in the transposition method?
Transportation, how you are doing? I don't know which method you are following. You tell me.
Ma'am, like for example, there's a sum like 10 plus
Hmm.
3x equal to minus 14.
Hmm.
So basically, how you do is that like 10 plus 3x, like we have to
Hmm.
add the same number to both sides, like 10 plus 3x minus 10
Hmm. And
equal
here
to
also
minus
minus 14
14
minus 10.
minus 10. Yeah.
Okay,
Then
so this and
3x,
this got cancelled.
yeah,
You left 3x. And this one
e-
is, you
24
get,
by 3. 24 divided by 3.
yeah. So you got x equals to minus
And
24 upon 3, right?
yeah, which
And
is
8
minus 8.
minus. Okay, so over here in this case also, like for example, this one, 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will do in this case, you can take this 2x, right? On both the side.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the point. So here it will be 2x minus this, and here 2x minus 2x plus 18. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So from 3x, if you will subtract 2x, you will get x, and this got cancelled. What is left? 18.
Oh,
Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Now in this, see, whatever is 2, now you have to take it like this. For example, in this case, you had two constant number, right? One is 10 and one is 14. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why
Yes,
you
ma'am.
took this 10 on both the side. In this case, you have two variable number. So you will take 2x on both the side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like that. Okay, so now try this one. Okay, this one is
Okay.
then double one. Or in case, okay, you can, okay, just don't try this one. Wait. Uh, I'll give you the another one. Wait a minute. Okay. X minus 5 equals to 9.
Ma'am, x is equal to 4.
Yes, correct. Okay. So in your school, they have taught you how to frame the equations? No?
Only the ma'am, now only she started teaching, ma'am, like
Okay,
for the
okay.
transposition method.
Okay, okay, okay. So let's just come to that only first. They haven't taught you chapter number 3, data handling?
Ma'am, I think the content might be like the number of this might be different.
Okay. So this data handling she have skipped. The third chapter is data handling, right? So she have not taught that?
No, ma'am, like the this is different. The order
Okay,
is different.
okay. Okay, okay, okay. So now today we are going to learn write the following statement in the form of equation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is given to you and you will write the equation. So let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So 3 times x is this 3x, right?
Yeah.
And 11 is 32. So whenever they are saying is, that is this equals to. So the sum of 3x and 11 is 32. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we form the equation. First one. For second one, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number. So in this case, you will say let the number be x. You can take any number, right? So if you subtract 5 from 6 time of a number, so that means if you subtract 5 from 6 time a number, it will give you 7. Getting the point? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you form. So write down these two and then, okay, I'll just do all of them for you and then you can later on decide. Okay, this is 1/4. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. How would you write it?
Ma'am, 1/4 into m.
Hmm.
1/4 into m.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, 1/4 into m and and m by
Is
and
3
m
more
by
than
4.
7. Is 3 more than 7, so 7 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Right?
So
Now,
you get
we cannot
10.
write it
Yeah.
like this, right? On the equals,
Yes, ma'am.
no, you don't write it like this, so we write it like this. 1/4m, right?
Yes,
Minus
ma'am.
7, like this. Remember this. This is a trick question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you will write 10 here, then in the question, nowhere 10 is given. So how would you write 10? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why it is 3 more than 7. So if you 7 will go there, it will be 3 more than 7, right? So that's why the
Yes, ma'am.
7 will come this side. 1/4m minus 7 equals to 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the fourth one, 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. So you don't know the number. So let the number be x. Okay. So 1/3 of a number of x plus 5 is 8. Right? So you can even write it like this. X upon 3 plus 5 equals to 8. And here also instead of writing 1/4m, you can write m upon 4 minus 7 equals to 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly write down these and I'll give you the question.
Ma'am, I noted.
Okay. Now sometimes what happen? Equations are given to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to form the sentence. Sometimes these sentences are given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Statements are given to you for forming the equation. Now we will practice few things where write down in your notebook and then we'll discuss whether it's correct or right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So try.
Ma'am, in statement form means I have to write like a statement.
Yes. The one which we was written here like this. Okay. Previously the statements were written like the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. If we subtract 5 from a number x, we get this like that. Okay. You want me to give the hint for the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you can write it like this. If we subtract 5 from any number x, we get 9. Or we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write taking away, anything you can write. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Or you can write if we subtract, or if instead of this you can even write subtracting 5 from any number x gives 9. Anything you can write, nothing is wrong.
Okay, ma'am. And then,
Okay, done.
uh, wait a minute, ma'am. I think I did not write one.
Okay, the first one I have already done. It's done for you. And second, third, and fourth you will do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, first one is taking away 5 from x gives 9.
Hmm.
Uh, Second one is the product of 5 times p gives
Hmm.
20.
Hmm.
And the third one is the sum of 3 integers. The sum of 3 times n and 7
Hmm.
gives 1.
Hmm.
And the last one is the difference of 2 subtracted from m divided by 5 gives 6.
Hmm. Yeah, m, instead of writing m divided by 5, just write it 1/5 of m. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
whenever you get like this, you have to write 1/5 of m.
Okay,
Subtracting
ma'am.
2 from 1/5 of m would give 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I'll give you the next question then now. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, there is one example. Let's see how we do it. Okay. Okay. Consider the following situation. Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. Let's just try it once. Okay. Then I'll solve it. No, Basim, should I tell? Basim?
Ma'am, I think I got it, ma'am. Just wait a minute.
Okay, okay, do it, do it.
Ma'am, is the answer, is the equation for 3x plus 5
Hmm,
equal to 44.
correct. Very good. Good. Okay, I'll give you the next one then. Okay. Whenever you do these type of questions, then you have to first think about it that whether they have asked you to solve it or only to frame the equation. Clear? Here they have only considered the following situation and set up the equation. So you don't have to find the age. But in case if they have asked that, okay, you have to find the age as well, at that time you will further solve it, right? And you know how to further solve it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 3x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 44 minus 5. Yes, so 3x
Yes, ma'am.
equals to 39. Yes, and x would be
Yes.
39 divided by 3.
13,
So 3, 1
13.
and then 13. 13 years. Okay. So you have to first check whether what they have asked, only the equation or the other part. Now do the next one.
Ma'am, is it 100 divided by 8 equal to 4x?
Sorry.
Is it 100 divided by 8 uh, equal to 4x?
No. Okay. Should we? Okay, just try it once more, then I'll tell. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, is it 8x plus 4 equal to
Yes. 8x plus 4 equals to?
100?
Yes. How come you got it now?
Ma'am, because as there are 8 small boxes,
Hmm.
so 8x mangoes will be from the small boxes
Hmm.
and plus 4 loose mangoes.
Hmm. So whenever you write this, you have to write it, let the small mangoes be x. Okay, if you don't write this, how would I get to know what this x is? So whenever you form any equation, you have to mention all the let things, that let the small mangoes be or equals to x, right? And then you will write like this, according to question. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
8x plus 4 equals to 100. Okay, fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll teach you, we don't have enough time, but I'll teach you one concept. Okay, for example, x plus 3 equals to 0, right? And for example, the value of x is given as 3. And you have to tell whether this is the accurate value of x or not. Yes? So what we do, we over here put the value. Okay? So x was 3. So I wrote 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 would give me
0. I mean,
huh?
6.
6. So of course that means this value of x is not fitting in the equation. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we do. Okay? Now I'll give you one question. X plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, and the value of x is 0. First write down this in your notebook, this part. Okay, and then do this one.